What's good, fam? How y'all doing today? You know, again to another series of IS300 build. Today we're gonna do a cleaning overall of this car right now. The point of this video right here is we're gonna clean the engine bay and the engine and the motor. Hopefully today, for sure. This, if we have time to tackle there. I'm starting this video really fast because I got these dum-dums back here.
What the hell did I do?
Because I know, and then we have some other friends coming over too, so I'm gonna get distracted pretty easily. That's why I said try. But so I'm gonna go straight to the video right now. If you've been following the series, thank you. If you're not, I'm gonna link all the videos or the playlist, top corner or bottom. But we're gonna clean this IS300. It is super caked up, oil everywhere, but we're gonna do our best we can. My goal for this car is not to be super clean, but going from ooh that's crusty to like not too bad, not too crusty, you know. That's my scale. Yeah. But let me show y'all a little bit of the engine bay at the moment. Current state, it's very dirty. The main thing right here, it's very caked up right here. The subframe mainly on this side, and then you have the battery terminal box. You see that? Yeah, most of it is not too bad. We'll probably go, most of it, all the dirt mostly will go away after a few rinse, but I have some degreaser to clean the car. We're gonna tackle pretty much, ooh, the sun right now is messing with me. The main stuff right here, getting that most gunk off. And then just little stuff. I took out both headlights because I just wanna spray the whole thing. Next part of the video will be me taping up the plugs. Like this right that, all these little plugs so it doesn't get any water in. Some of the stuff I took out the harness already, chilling over there with my motor sitting right there, and these fools just eating my food. But yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore. And today we have, where is it? What we're gonna use together to help us clean the engine a little more is this degreaser. Oh my god, it's heavy. Super clean. Is it the top thing that you should use for it? They're all almost the same. I just picked this one because I like the color purple and it works pretty well. And I got the big gallon because I have to later on clean other stuff around my house anyway. But I'm gonna spare a little bit of that. On this car, maybe a 1-to-1 ratio or just 100%, you know, degreaser. So we'll see. I'm gonna set you guys up to where a time lapse of me kind of taping off the plugs, and then we'll go from there. I got most of the plugs taped up, kind of, in a way. Oh, hard to see. Did I do it right? Maybe. Don't judge me on my taping job. Most of the connections are taped up or tucked away so I don't spray it. You know, anything that's electronic wise, I try to tape it as much as I can, but I think it'll be okay. I just want it to be like, kind of like seeing a lot more grayish area, because this is, look, it's just, look at that. It's disgusting. And important thing is, I don't want my driveway, you can probably see stains already. I'm gonna get a little blanket that's cheap, put on top of the bottom, so then most of the black stuff from the oil and all that stuff will capture through the.
He's mentally destroyed.
Two other dum-dums showed up. You've seen their faces pretty much now in a lot of the videos. I can't zoom in. Hey, you know, I did one video already, zoom into your face. I'll do it again on this one. job as best as I can. Look the difference from that to that. Look at that. Difference from that to that. It's so caked up, but I mean, even just spraying it down is already good. So I'm gonna go back the whole car, do the whole car, spray most of it down, and then I'll go back to the greaser once, and then I think that should be good for now. So. The greaser, we're just gonna spray it all over it and get it sunk. We're gonna let it sit for like 5-10 minutes and then spray it down. Hopefully it looks pretty good. Like I said, don't judge my cleaning process because I don't care. All right. The main thing is the self-frame. It's like stiff.
Yeah.
I believe. Yeah. No, just do this. Like start the video, like close like this, and you're like, hey, eyes up here.
Yeah, do it.
For
No!
the video, do it for the video.
Bro, am I getting money?
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, eyes up here, bro. Alright, bro, why you zoom back
Should have
down?
held the camera for like.
Before this clip, I sprayed the greaser one more time, and I sprayed it one more last time. I think I did it a total of 2 times. Looks really good actually for not me scrubbing and just spraying. I think this is actually pretty good for me. I'm gonna let it air dry. I mean, you can actually see like the silver of the frame. Like, it's pretty good. Down there too. Overall looks pretty good. I'm gonna leave it how it be. Let it air dry. Me and the boys are gonna go grab some food. Very clean. I'm satisfied. This is fine. I'll probably come back and kind of wipe it down with a rag, but that's it. This is good enough for me. Next day now. Like I mentioned on the last part of the video, we're gonna resume on the cleaning of the engine and the transmission. Video I mentioned how it's been all over the place, and you know I can't work on it, you know, every single day, 24/7. Alright, got it close enough to where I would like it. A lot better than before. It's a lot cleaner. I'm not going for perfection, just going for really not dark black, but gray. So I'm not gonna go in here and, you know, every little crest with all that stuff, but this is good enough for now. And then we're gonna move on to the engine and we'll pull it out right now. So. Most of the important stuff taped up. I'm gonna spray down the greaser, let it eat up a little bit, spray it down, make sure, see how clean it is, and then spray the greaser one more time, and then we'll tackle it more. Probably the engine is, I guess, the more important one that I'll more than likely go in a little bit deeper on certain areas, some cases. Other than that, it don't matter. So. So got the pressure wash done on the motor. It's a lot better, but it's still not clean, but it is what it is. I'm not too worried about it. People don't judge me. Whoever on there, you're gonna comment around below like, oh, might as well just clean it all the way. I don't really care. I mean, it's gonna get dirty again. I just want to get most of the gunk from the oil and all this, the stain on certain areas out. That's all that matters. At the end of the day, no one's really gonna see it. It's an old car. It's not. I'm not gonna pop the hood for you guys to see it. This is the transmission, letting it air dry. It's mostly dry. I spray it again because there's certain areas actually was like, let me clean it off. You can actually see the, you know, the model number, serial number, and stuff like that on the side now. But this, same thing. This is could be some more work, but it's okay. Most of the gunk was on this side, here, down here, up here too. Of course, this block is kind of like black, so it's harder to tell. This not too much matter because I'm replacing it with the old one anyway. But I didn't clean up top just because there's a lot of plugs, and I'm gonna take off most of the stuff anyway to clean it, like the intake manifold and stuff like that, so that I can go in there and deep clean it some more. But mainly the bottom part is clean ish. This used to be all black, caked up. Now it's like somewhat a lot cleaner. So yeah. So again, don't judge me on my cleaning process or my cleaning, how far I cleaned it. I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's early in the morning. You can say whatever you want. This is my car. It is what it is. That's the cleanest I want it to be. We're gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna pull it back into the car, the garage, the transmission too, and just let it air dry, and then we'll continue this part when it's fully dry when I come back and have some free time.